As you're watching this video, I guess your computer is running with an issue here as you're trying to open a program you have recently installed this error alert. The program can start because bunch of letters file system l1-1-0.dll is missing from your computer. It's a very common issue and all you need to do is watch this video till the end and follow that method on your computer. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Evolution. In this very short video, I'll be fixing this error within 3 minutes. So, start the countdown. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser and search for the entire file name .dll. You can choose any result you want. I'm choosing the first one. This is not sponsored, but I'll still put the link in the description. You can see few download options based on the version and architecture. To know your PC version and architecture, click on Start and search for system information. Here you can see mine is 64-bit and I've updated to the recent Windows update, so I'll be downloading from the top, and top 64-bit is number 2. I strongly recommend you to read this page. It has multiple fixing methods also. As the download complete, hit open. Here you can see two files inside the zip file. One is the DLL, other one is readme. To move the DLL, first open this PC, then local disk C, Windows, and find a folder named System32, the home of 32-bit DLLs. Then click on the zip file, drag the DLL and drop. I've already done this, so it is asking me to replace. And click on continue to give administrator access. Before we go ahead, let's check if the file is properly placed. Yeah, by typing the file name, you can see the file is properly placed in the 32-bit folders. So, job is done. 32-bit users can restart your computer. Only if you are a 64-bit users like me, will open this PC, local disk C, Windows, and find a folder named syswow64. The home of 64-bit DLS, and same again. Drag and drop. Continue. Check this one more time. By typing the file name, you can see the file is perfectly placed in the 64-bit folder too. And finally, restart your computer. In extremely rare cases, if there are tree lockers, you need to download and install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and install a program again, and that will surely fix it.
And that's all. If you follow me step by steps, you'll no longer have that problems left. Please let me know how you feel about this video. And do not forget to like and subscribe.